You're a voice talent, but the question is, are you a premium voice talent? Talent seekers want to work with voice talents they can trust to return emails, answer calls, and turn projects around quickly. They also want to save time by not having to sort through thousands of demos that aren't even close to what they're looking for. That's why we created a roster of the most reliable and professional voice talents in the world. Talent seekers can find better voice talent faster. And as a premium voice talent, you won't be lost in a sea of auditions. If you understand these and other important principles, then you might qualify to become a premium voice talent. But hold your headphones. We don't grant memberships to just anyone. We carefully evaluate every application and reach a decision based on quality of demos, skill, uniqueness, and availability. If accepted, you'll instantly experience the benefits of being a member. Not only do you get a custom profile webpage, you'll also receive your own professional @premiumvoicetalent.com email account, which you can set up in your email program or access from anywhere via webmail. Or if you're happy with your current email address, you can skip the new email account and use what you have. As a premium voice talent, you can respond to as many job opportunities as you'd like, and you'll never be penalized for auditioning. Plus, talent seekers can leave you feedback on your auditions. You stay in control of billing, delivery, and policies yourself. We won't hold your payment or take a piece of the pie. In fact, there are no commission fees, agency fees, payment fees, or hidden fees. You deal directly with the talent seeker. So you get the job, you get the cash, and hopefully you keep the client for future work. The benefits go on and on. So read up. And if you think you've got what it takes to be a premium voice talent, apply today. PremiumVoiceTalent.com. We bring voice seekers right to your inbox.